All right, folks, Brandon Boyd here. Excited to be on here tonight. Want to welcome all who are on this webinar. Appreciate you taking time out of your busy evening to be here. I want to make sure that tonight, after these next 20 minutes or so, that it will absolutely be worth your time. And I believe that it will, based upon the experience that I've had for 4 years. I am the master distributor of the company. Again, want to welcome all of those who are on here tonight. And you can feel free to take out a pen or an iPad or a phone or whatever to take some notes. What I'm getting ready to go over, I believe, is absolutely critical to your future, both your personal life as well as your financial life. And I want to start off by asking you a few questions, and you can raise your hands as we go through. Any questions that you have, you can type them into the question box, and I'll make sure and get them answered by the end of the presentation. So how many of you, just by raise of hands, would like to minimize your tax liability, meaning that you would like to pay less in taxes this year? How many of you would like to reduce your debt using your current income, meaning eliminate all of it completely? Okay. How many of you would like to save up to 22% off of your existing cell phone bill? Okay. How many of you would like to save money on the things that you buy every single day, whether it's online or offline? What about save on cruises, condos, and hotels? Any of you like to travel out there? Well, these are all things that you can do as a member and subscriber of Wake Up Now. So first, how can you minimize your tax liability? So Wake Up Now partnered with the former IRS trainer by the name of Sandy Botkins. He trained the IRS agents for about 20 years. And he created a system called TaxBot where you don't have to keep any receipts. It has automated tracking. It has GPS, which will actually track with your Google Maps, where you can get up to 56 cents deduction per mile that you drive as a business owner. This acts almost like a 25 to 45% cash back card to you. The great thing is that you don't have to take a shoebox full of receipts and go to your account. You can actually take a picture. So let's say that we were to go out to a particular restaurant and talk business. You'd be able to take a picture of the deduction there and write off a percentage of your meal and store that on a cloud through TaxBot. The great thing is you can do it from your phone. You can also do it from your computer if you don't feel comfortable in using it from your phone. It is an incredible app to use. It's the #1 tax app that there is. Everyone needs it. Everyone needs to be in business because you need deductions. All of you work so hard. It's the whole what's in it for me. What's in it for you is that as a business owner, you're going to get up to 450 tax deductions that are available to you that you do not get if you're just a W-2 employee. That's why it's so important to be in business, and that's why it's important to be in business with Wake Up Now. Second, how can you reduce your debt using your current income? So we created a system called WUN Finance. This has automated debt elimination. It has automated budgeting. It aggregates all of your bank accounts. It has level 5 bank security. And the key is that it has very simple to use software, which is the key. And here's what I found with it. The most important part of the entire software is the debt elimination piece. What this does is it takes all of the debts. For example, the average American family has $248,000 of debt. Okay, 248,000. That's between a mortgage, car loans, credit cards, student loans, and any other loans that you might have. What it does is it will prioritize it for you because the system is going to calculate it for you so that you don't have to do that. What I have found in using this is that a person can save on average between $50,000 and $100,000 just using the software, taking the money that they're currently making in their life right now and following the debt priority. Guys, that's huge. That can save you like 10 to 15 years of interest payments. So rather than getting out of debt in 2039, you can literally save years and be able to plan your future accordingly by using this. Now, this is different than Mint.com, Microsoft Money, or Quicken, which some of you may have used out there. Those are just budgeting tools. The most important part of this is the debt elimination. Believe me, I became debt free because of WUN Finance. This is absolutely critical for you to use if you want to get yourself out of debt. Then, as I mentioned, you can get up to 22% off your monthly cell phone bill. It's a corporate discount. There's no hassle or hidden fees. There's no extra fees. This is a discount that's given whether you're with AT&T or T-Mobile. You can get as a member and subscriber of Wake Up Now that comes with your membership. Then you can save on the things that you buy every day. You can buy products for less from the stores that you already love to shop at. For example, if you like Target or Walmart, if you're the kind of person that likes to go on Amazon or eBay and those kind of things, we have 300,000 merchants. We have millions of products where you can literally save both from grocery coupons to online shopping to offline shopping through our network, because the whole goal is to help people to save money without having to change their buying habits. And that's the key, is that you don't have to change how you buy, where you buy, or what you buy. Also, we created our own line called Awaken. So, how many of you out there have had energy drinks? Okay, a lot of energy drinks out there. Well, we created Awaken Thunder in a can. Best tasting energy drink I've ever had. It only has 10 calories, no sugar, no aspartame. It's a bolt of healthy energy. Also, we created the Awaken Tear and Pour with Tropical Burst and Citrus Rush, where you can actually just take the powder and pour it right into a bottle of water. We also, for all the coffee drinkers out there, we created the Awaken Arabica Black, which has Ganoderma in it, which is very popular right now. So we have our own coffee line. We also have our own skincare line with Trivani by Wake Up Now, where you can give your skin the care that it deserves. So we created some incredible products that people like, that are popular, but we've done it for less. Also, how can you save on cruises, condos, and hotels? How many of you, by raise of hands, are guilty of buying a timeshare? Okay, because I can relate to you. The nice thing is you can save thousands in travel without buying a timeshare. There's no maintenance fees, there's no contracts, no restrictions, unlike you'd have with a timeshare. Through the Wake Up Now Vacation Club, it simply is a better way to vacation. And my wife and I have been able to go about every 3 or 4 weeks on a trip and save thousands and thousands of dollars using the vacation club. So if you want to go to Park City or Treasure Island, if you want to go to Vegas or Disneyland, you can find incredible deals. Um, I could give you example after example of the type of deals that you can find through the vacation club. They're astounding. I find that people like to travel. It's just they don't have the money. The vacation club gives you the opportunity to actually do that. And the nice thing is that you can deduct as much as possible using TaxBot, because you can, with entertainment, be able to have some business deductions. And we have some TaxBot videos that show how to do that, be able to take trips and vacations, but be able to deduct a percentage of the trip as well. Also, we put together the identity theft protection, secure PC makeover. So you've got computer services, $100 a day in free stuff, free magazines, tell me more language learning software. So a lot of different things that people can just get some extra benefits as a part of their membership. But the question is just with some of these products and services that I've shown you, is what is Wake Up Now? What is the purpose of what we're trying to do? What we do at the end of the day, to make it real simple, is we save you a pile of money. We're going to help you to save, manage, and make money. And so by saving you money, we're going to help you then manage it and make that. And that's what I want to go over right now, is how much can I actually make in sharing this message of Wake Up Now, because this is not only sweeping the nation, but multiple countries at the same time. The first thing that you want to do is take care of the monthly auto pay as soon as possible. And the easiest way that you can do that is to use the service and product. For example, you can use TaxBot. Do you know that by using TaxBot and having your own business, that you have for your monthly subscription, it's 100% tax deductible? That's why I tell people, don't even worry about it. Okay? The different discounts with the cell phone discounts in the marketplace with all the thousands of stores and Wake Up Now Finance. I mean, how much is it worth to you to be out of debt? Is it worth like $10? Is it worth 100? Is it worth 50 bucks or 500? I mean, just using those things alone will absolutely kill any monthly fee that you have. In fact, just using that one system alone, I tell people all the time, they can save between $500 to $1,000 a month, and they can watch my video and see how that's done. Second is you can do what's called Enroll 3, and it's free. It's a $100 residual bonus. And the way that it works is you're going to bring on, I call them 3 business partners or 3 CEOs. And as those 3 business partners come in and they decide to build Wake Up Now with you as a business, you're going to get a $100 residual bonus, which is actually going to take care of your monthly subscription just on that alone. Then we have the next rank up is called Founder 3. Okay, and we call this the 600 Club because you can earn a monthly residual simply by helping others to save, manage, and make money. And so we have a formula called B3H3G3, as you see at the top. What it means is bring three, help three, get three. So the way that it works is you're going to enroll three platinum members, okay, those three business partners. You're going to help those three do the same. So help those three enroll three. You're going to have a team of 12 people or speaking in volume 1170 group volume as their platinum members. You're going to get a $600 residual bonus. Guys, I don't think that you understand how huge that is. First of all, Dave Ramsey said with an extra $500, 90% wouldn't file bankruptcy. Do you know that? An extra $500. Now, in most companies, if you had volume this low, you'd be lucky to make even $10 a month. Okay, and Wake Up Now, you'd make $600 residual a month in the 600 Club. It's absolutely incredible, guys. Then we have the Wake Up Now compensation plan at a glance, which I wanted to go over here real quick to help you understand. So we had talked about the Director 3, which is Enroll 3 and it's free. And then the Founder 3, as you look at the volume, it's 1170. You're going to get a bonus. So look at the bonus column of $600 residual on a monthly basis as your volume increases. So people come in, they purchase the platinum package or whatever other products, it's going to increase your volume. Well, so is your commissions. When we look at Founder 4, this is tremendous. At the Founder 4 bonus, we now have a group volume of 10,000. That's what's required as a Founder 4. You've personally enrolled, instead of 3 people, you've got 4. You've got a group volume of 10,000. You've got a residual bonus of 2,000 a month, plus you get an additional override up to $500 and $250 a month in free vacation. That means that the company is going to put you on a vacation every single month. Now for $250, you can buy some incredible things. You can literally go to some incredible condos all over the world, whether it's hotels or cruises or condos is up to you. But you're talking about almost $2,500 as a Founder 4. Again, in most companies, you would be lucky to make a couple $100 with that volume. Okay, a couple $100. Founder 7, they've got a group volume of 80,000. The average Founder 7 makes between about $13,000 to $14,000 a month. They're going to get the vacation bonus plus the car bonus. The car bonus, if you look at Founder 5, actually starts at Founder 5. So you can get yourself a new car or a car that's within 5 years. Okay, and that can be a business deduction for you as well. So you can see that as your rank goes up, the vacation dollars increase, the auto bonus increases. Some people ask, how much money can I make in this company? So we have Global Executive as the highest rank, which we have ranks that are going above that as well. The average Global Executive will make around 113, 114,000 residual a month, plus the vacation dollars at 1,000 a month, and the auto bonus at 1,000 a month as well, and 2 hours of private jet time on a monthly basis. But I really want to focus, guys. You look back at Founder 3. Founder 3 is the sweet spot of the compensation plan. We're trying to help people to, again, bring 3, help 3, get 3. What the mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. I absolutely believe that people can do that, and we've seen that as thousands of people have come in over the last 12 to 14 months as Founder 3s in the 600 Club, and it's absolutely life-changing, especially when you start to get into some of the international countries as well. We also have the income disclosure that you can see at any time on our website and refer to that. So how much does it cost to join Wake Up Now? The great thing is, unlike a lot of companies out there that charge these enormous startup fees so that they can pay a fast start bonus, there is no sign-up fee in Wake Up Now. It's absolutely free. All you pay is just the monthly subscription of $99.95. It's month to month. There's no contract. And just like I mentioned before, the easiest way to knock out the $99.95 is to use TaxBot. You've got a business, use TaxBot. It's 100% tax deductible. Use Wake Up Now Finance or get the discounts of the things that we have, or simply enroll 3 business partners. Get a $100 residual, and that's going to knock out that monthly fee. Okay, that way that you have retention on your team and within your business, you can knock out the overhead and become profitable in your business. Now, we've got a incredible CEO in Kirby Cochran, who's built a billion-dollar company. He's funded over 200 companies. He's been a professor at 2 major universities. And he said that Wake Up Now has the potential to be the largest and most successful network marketing company of all time. Guys, that is a huge statement. We saw last year that we had the highest growth in the industry over a 6 month period of time at 608%. Our compensation plan has also been voted at the top as the really the plan that people have liked the most, that is the most fair, meaning that for the amount of volume that a person has to have in their business, that Wake Up Now is the most fair. And that's what I saw 4 years ago when I took a look at this company. So tonight, when you look back at Wake Up Now and you think about the products and services, the compensation plan, you're either a one, two, or three. Number one, I love it, I'm in, sign me up. Number two, I like it, but I need more information. That's okay. So you can get some more information from the person that referred you to this webinar. Number three, don't ever contact me again. So what I want you to do is get back in contact with a person who invited you to this webinar and ask them any questions, or at least just tell them what number you are. Tell them you're either number one, number two, or number three. And what I want to do at this time is take questions from those that have them. Again, right there in the question box. You can type the questions in there and I'm going to get them answered. So let's get this pulled up. I'm going to have the PowerPoint slides here so that we can actually bring these up and remind you of what you saw here. So let's bring this up and go ahead and get those questions answered.